guys, Ian South Oz here. Just thought I'd do a quick walk around of the BSA. It's completed now. I was waiting 14 months, would you believe it, to get the tank and the side panels painted. There was a few dents in the tank, so that took a while to get out. But anyway, that's another story. So it hasn't been started for 14 months. And the plan today, I'll give a quick walk around and I'll kick it in the guts for the first time in 14 months and we'll see if it starts. I'm anticipating there'll be a little bit of smoke. In the bore, I've just sprayed it with WD-40 on the odd occasion to keep a little bit of lube in there, but I'm thinking there'll be a little bit of smoke coming out, if it starts, that is. So just to refresh your memory, the restoration included brand new rims and spokes, re-chromed fender. I've got a new grab rail there, a brand new BSA seat from the UK, new paint down there, brand new exhaust pipes. The top end of the engine's all been refurbished. There's one little dent on the tank, you might see it just there, but that is the only blemish that I can see. It was pretty bad before. So yeah, new paint there, new rubbers, footrest rubbers, etc. I got new clock rubbers, new clock faces. I've put the original handlebars back on. Now, there's a few switches and things here which were fitted on in America, because this was an import from America, so I had to comply with their various rules. I've just left them on. Moving to the front, new chrome guard there, new spokes, new rims. I've got new gator rubbers to go on, but haven't bothered yet. So that's probably it in a nutshell. So what I'll do now, I'll just mount this. I'll go around the other side first. There's not much to see, pretty much the same. I'll mount this on a tripod and let's see if she starts. Don't go away.